What's going on, gang? Back with another video. Today we're gonna be taking out the rear blocks of my boy truck, my little brother Trey. You can see he got a leveling kit on it right now. It's sitting pretty good, but he won't squat it, of course. That's what everybody want to do right now. So we're gonna go ahead and take the rear blocks out of it. I say he should leave them in there, but no, you can't tell nobody nothing. So he about to pull it in. I know y'all ain't seen the shop yet, but you gonna see a little inside view of it today. So we about to pull it in, and we shouldn't take as long. We picked up some new U-bolts, brand new U-bolts, because the shop that did his truck before, they kept his factory U-boat, so he don't have the new ones, or his old ones. So we had to go buy some new ones, but we got them. Shouldn't take as long. Should be real quick, simple. So yeah, we're gonna get it popping. It's gonna be a little quick, simple video, just to give y'all some content. I ain't been posting a lot, so give y'all something just to look at, you know. But nothing really to it. You can see, I'm pretty sure anybody out there did this before. Simple. 2 on each side, pop them out, pull that block out in the center, and that's about it. So you can see the shop a little bare right now. Ain't got shit in this bitch, but they gonna get it. Say what up. That bitch don't act on camera.
I know I don't care.
But all right, yeah, we about to throw these things on. It should take us long, probably about 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes at the most. And yeah, so let's put y'all guys on time lapse, and we're gonna knock this out real quick. Alright, I gotta knock this block out right quick. Shit a little jammed up in there, but alright. ride?
Nah, I'm good. I don't ride shit.
Because he wanted.
Right.
Mine. Hey, it ain't nothing. That bitch is clean.
What he has, a chrome wheels at first?
Yeah, he has on chrome, 14 wires, I think. And